Are you kidding me?
That's not even flooring
Is that? Did I break it?
it. No. That's how it's all.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Auto Amateur Garage. My friend Mario has got a new car. The second new car of the year. He's replaced his 991S with this thing. It's the Batmobile. Tell us about your car, Mario, and why it's so special.
Hi everyone. The car is a 2016 Mercedes AMG GTS Edition 1.
That's a lot.
It is a lot. It's an Edition 1. Only 300, it seems like only 325 were made in the whole world. 70 for the US and 30 for Canada. It comes with a V8 engine, V-turbo or bi-turbo, however you want to say it.
How would you do it? Like V8?
Yeah. It comes with 503 horsepower from factory and 479 pounds of torque.
Which is immense.
It is a lot.
In Porsche language, for my Porsche viewers, that's basically the turbo.
Yes.
Pretty much.
Yes.
Okay. But you've like, that wasn't good enough for you.
The thing is, like, I didn't even drive it with it not tuned.
You didn't drive it
Just
before
from my house to AJ's.
Okay. But you've had a tune. So AJ, Eurocharge Minneapolis, who did the Fister on my 997, and he tuned your Porsche
991S and the 997.
and the 997, and he's done a bunch of other work for our friends. He's basically dialed this up to like a 15.
Yep.
What's he done?
And I can tell you that he was as or more excited than me to have this car. He told me, if you don't like it, I'll buy it from you.
Really?
He told me that. So we got a tune, we got the filters, performance filters or something like that.
Yeah.
And downpipes.
Okay.
And the Eurocharge downpipes. So that puts to the crank 725 horsepower, 775 pounds of torque. And to the wheels, it's 589.
Wow.
And 629 pounds of torque.
That's amazing. That's incredible. So that's more powerful than a Turbo S,
Yes.
and you can even go higher if you wanted to.
Yes, we were talking about E85 gas and retune, like get the tune tweaked, and it will increase another 40 horsepower.
Okay.
Now, if you want to go stupid crazy, you can upgrade the turbos
Okay.
and retune again. And there's a car in Texas, I think, that is hitting 920 horsepower right now.
Had to be Texas, right?
Go big or go home. Or English.
Or, well, you know. That's incredible. So, I mean, when we were driving it earlier, I thought to myself, this has got to be twice as powerful as my 911. I've got 375. You've got more than that, way more than that. And it really is twice as powerful. It was incredible. But there's no lag like other turbos I've driven. Why is that?
So as I was telling you before, when I bought the car, it took 2 weeks for me to get it from Chicago. So in those 2 weeks, I watched every possible video, and I read every article out there. There's not a single one that I have not read or seen. So a normal turbo car will have the turbos underneath. So the pipes go down to the turbos.
Yeah.
And that creates a little bit of lag. So that's what a lot of Porsche guys complain about.
Right, you put your foot down, nothing happens for like a split second, and then you get the power.
Yeah.
Right.
So these ones, the turbos are right there behind the engine.
So like here somewhere.
Like right there, yeah.
Okay.
So this is a front mid-engine car.
Which is also pretty special.
It is cool.
Or at least unique.
Yep, so they had to create the balance. Since you are sitting all the way back, it seems like the hood is like so big that everyone is like, oh my God, the size of the engine.
Yeah.
But it's really the engine is like like this is the engine.
Wow.
It's like such a small engine.
Yeah.
And the turbos are right there, so there's no lag.
So why would you put an engine in this position in a car? Does it
Balance.
Okay.
Balance, performance.
Okay.
Those Germans are crazy.
So you've got like, I mean, you talk about a center of gravity. It's very low, and I guess the majority of the weight is here, and I guess where your wheels and your wheel arches and so on. That's incredible. And you've got a lot of vents, so this thing must put out a lot of heat.
Yeah, it's like vents everywhere. Like they go through the front, they get in through under the hood, and it comes down again. So it will come, air goes in here, then there's a compartment right here that goes through the hood, goes all the way and down to the turbos. Yeah. And then this air goes down and then goes all the way down.
And the sound is just absolutely phenomenal. I mean, it sounded like, as we were pulling away from here, it reminded me of the Tumbler or whatever it was called from Batman. Batman Begins, the one that Christian Bale was driving. I mean, maybe they just put the microphone on the back of this and recorded it. I mean,
and it was already loud, like factory.
Really?
Just when you put it on the Sport Plus, it was loud. It was like pa pa pa, like popping and like loud. But you guys will hear the serious popping on this one with those downpipes.
Amazing.
It's just, we were talking in the car. It's not a normal popping.
No, it's not. I mean, at one point I thought like the engine was exploding. Like, what? Did I break it? I mean, wow.
It's pretty insane. Pretty insane. One other thing about the Edition 1 package. So the difference from the GTS to the Edition 1 will be that there were 325 made, and basically the visual stuff will be carbon fiber, fixed wing, front and rear diffusers, the wheels, and the accents in the inside, and all the black stuff.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's like around, I think $15,000 or $17,000 package.
Wow.
So it's not really the money. They just wanted to make something special.
Yeah. Like, cause you can configure a 911 and put 50 grand of options in it. Mm-hmm. And that's not doing anything to the power at the back at the end of the day, is it?
Yeah.
You know, you're getting fancier seats.
There's a slower one of this, which is just the GT, AMG GT, that produces 486 horsepower.
Okay.
To the crank.
Yeah. So we're going to have to put these side by side when the warmer weather comes, or when you get winter tires. Because, I mean, you smoked me in your S. And that was tuned, and a lot of people have commented that if maybe it wasn't tuned, it would have been a little fairer, or a little closer, not fair. With these two side by side, you're just going to leave me for dead? I'm so impressed. So, knowing you're going to personalize this, because that's what you like to do with your cars.
A little bit.
A little. What
do you do? Just the stripes. The GTR. So the AMG GTR comes with some stripes. Yeah. On the hood to the back and on the side, but I will not do the side ones.
Okay, so just the
stripes.
Okay.
Yeah, and little accents of the caliper red.
Yeah.
And all the emblems are gonna be black.
Oh,
this is gonna be black too.
And are you gonna wrap them or plastic?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it to Print Labs. Print Labs. Discount.
Lakeville.
We need sponsors.
That's fantastic. And what about your lights? Because I know you like to smoke your
that
lights.
too. They're gonna do that too.
Okay.
They're gonna smoke them.
That's another excuse for a video, right? I mean,
Yeah. So all this is gonna be smoke. It's gonna be wrap.
Yeah.
I bought the black one of this one already.
Okay.
And I just got all the emblems too.
Oh, that's the real deal.
And you're gonna
So
laugh
nice.
at what I'm gonna do, like right here. I got a sticker to put right here. Black Mamba. How to show respect for Kobe.
Fair enough. And so, lastly, 0 to 60. What is this?
Factory 3.8.
Okay.
Well, that's funny. If you Google it, it goes anything from 3.3 to 3.8.
Huh.
You know, like it depends on who publish
Yeah.
that information.
Plus, I imagine with a car this powerful, the wheel setup, the tires make a huge difference for that.
Yeah, so I'm going, this comes with 295s. I'm going to 305s.
Okay.
And it comes with 20s and 19s. So I'm doing 20s all around.
Okay.
Some Savini wheels,
Very nice.
brush gold.
Oh, very nice. Well,
Make it rain.
yeah, I mean, I don't know. You're doing very well. This is incredible. Congratulations, man.
Thank
this
you,
is such
thank
a nice
you.
car.
Yeah, I can't wait for the spring to come. So we can actually try the real power, like
Yeah.
put it down to the road.
Yeah, yeah. Well, guys, this has been our AMG GTS video. Hopefully, Mario is going to have this by the time spring comes. You think you will?
And don't hate me for being a Porsche channel.
No, of course not. Of course not. Cheers, man. Oh my God, you guys. Mario's car was insane. I have never driven a car with that much power before. Little bit scary, to be perfectly honest with you. And he would absolutely kill me. I mean, twice as many horses, probably twice as much torque. Wow, just absolutely phenomenal. So, yeah, something slightly different this time. Not a Porsche, a Mercedes. At least it's still German. So, my Porsche enthusiast friends out there, I hope you'll let me off this time. More Porsche content coming very soon. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.